Keterat Social Welfare ke Sorkar Meghalaya kadang yakan bat ke Ministry ke Sorkar Pedeng pan mang tingka nak benta ban Ïarap Pisa yaki dor barsnong pakin thau bat penmi yaki Village Defence Party VDP ban yakun persyaya drugs. Kene gejing temu ban Ïarap Pisa yaki dor barsnong kede nak benta ban yakun pendu jat ya drug hapok ke jelam Meghalaya baru kawai. Menteri ubak polling do ulak pentip yakene hadin badep ai jingkren ha ka multi stakeholder symposium ba pelong hapok ke drug reduction elimination and action mission dream ban rake yaka international day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking hinne kasni balang.
One point that was repeatedly made was that whether the government is serious about tackling the menace of drugs. Today, I could see a number of you coming back to another deliberation invited by Social Welfare Department, which means that the trust deficit has somehow been mitigated. We are coming closer to a point of realization, because the last time around, I remember one of the leaders of the Dorbashnongs asking us whether we are here just to have a cup of tea with you or do you mean business. I think today we have shown that we do mean business. No amount of developmental activities, no amount of investment in tourism, no amount of investment in the road sector can yield the desired results if all our initiatives are towards facilitating and creating infrastructure for a generation of drug addicts and alcoholics. It would defeat the very purpose of even having a government and a system of governance in place. So today, I'm happy that I could sense that guarded optimism which is evident in all of you coming here together. And more importantly, we have listed as a subject immediately after the vote of thanks a panel discussion where the discussion centers on legal provisions and policy advocacy in regulating drug use. NDPS Act, PIT NDPS Act, where our panelists include a senior advocate, Srimati Jyoti Tandon, senior advocate of the Supreme Court, and Mrs. Tashlin Karbeteng, district and sessions judge. A major gap in arresting the trend of the resurgence of drugs and the emergence of drugs culture in Meghalaya is the need felt by all stakeholders that somewhere there are gaps in implementing the law, that there are striking gaps that make it possible for people to get away with trafficking, and that the laws are such that they are more for the traffickers and more against civil society.